The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact drones of 2025. DJI has been at the top of the drone industry for years, and every time they release something new, it seems like they find a way to surprise everyone again. The Neo 2 is no exception. It's designed to combine power, intelligence, and portability into one ultralight package, and from what's being reported so far, this might be one of DJI's smartest mini drones yet. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we explore the latest innovations that are redefining modern tech. If you've ever thought about what the future of compact drones could look like, the DJI Neo 2 might just give you that answer. Let's start with what everyone wants to know first: the release date. Based on the most reliable reports from inside DJI's production chain and recent certification leaks, the DJI Neo 2 is expected to launch around mid-November 2025. DJI has already completed final flight testing, and a few prototypes have been seen under controlled testing in China. It seems like the company is aiming for a global release before the holiday season, which makes perfect sense given the huge demand for drones this time of year. Now let's talk about what makes the Neo 2 so special. DJI has reportedly built the Neo 2 as a successor to its popular entry-level drone lineup, but it's not just a small upgrade. This one's getting major improvements across the board. The first major change is its new camera system. The Neo 2 is expected to feature a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 48-megapixel resolution, capable of shooting 4K video at up to 100 frames per second and 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. This is a huge step up from the previous generation, which capped out at 4K 60. But it's not just about resolution. The new image processing engine, likely powered by DJI's upgraded Scenic-Core X2 chip, will deliver cleaner, sharper footage with better color accuracy and improved dynamic range. DJI has also fine-tuned its night mode to capture low-light scenes with stunning detail, reducing noise and preserving shadows in a way that makes footage look more cinematic and professional. Another big improvement is stabilization. The Neo 2 will reportedly feature DJI's new 3-axis mechanical gimbal paired with advanced electronic image stabilization, ensuring silky smooth footage even in windy conditions. DJI seems to be focusing on creating an ultra-reliable camera platform that creators can trust, even in challenging flight environments. And speaking of flight, the DJI Neo 2 is expected to deliver up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is a big jump compared to the original Neo's 34-minute battery life. This improvement comes from a combination of next-generation lithium-silicon batteries and a lighter overall frame made from carbon-infused composite materials. The weight reduction not only helps efficiency but also improves control and acceleration. The Neo 2 will also include DJI's O5 transmission system, which provides a maximum range of up to 20 kilometers with a more stable 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second. This means less interference, faster response, and a more reliable connection even in crowded signal environments. When it comes to obstacle avoidance, DJI is once again raising the bar. The Neo 2 is rumored to include omnidirectional obstacle sensing using 6 wide-angle vision sensors and 2 infrared sensors. This setup gives it full 360-degree awareness, helping it navigate tight spaces and complex environments with ease. It's designed to automatically adjust its flight path if it detects obstacles, making it much safer for beginner pilots and more flexible for professionals who fly in dynamic conditions. Another exciting update is in the Active Track system. DJI's latest Active Track 6.0 will be coming to the Neo 2, allowing smoother subject tracking even in fast or unpredictable movements. Whether you're running, biking, or filming a moving car, the Neo 2 will keep the subject perfectly framed while maintaining cinematic motion. The new tracking system uses AI prediction to keep focus even when the subject disappears briefly behind an object. One of the standout new features might be the AI flight mode, which lets users describe the type of shot they want. If, for example, orbit me slowly at sunset, and the drone will automatically execute the command. This is part of DJI's push toward intelligent automation, making professional-looking aerial footage possible. then for complete beginners. Now let's talk about video quality enhancements. The Neo 2 will support 10-bit D-Log-M recording and HLG HDR video, giving creators more flexibility in color grading and post-production. For those who love to shoot stills, the 48MP sensor can capture in raw DNG format, retaining incredible detail for editing. DJI has also upgraded its image processing to handle hybrid HDR stills, combining multiple exposures in real time for perfectly balanced results. Design-wise, the DJI Neo 2 will keep its ultra-portable form factor but with a more aerodynamic look. Leaked prototypes suggest a sleeker, curved body with improved propeller guards and built-in LED strips for better visibility during night flights. The folding mechanism is smoother, and DJI has reportedly made the arms more durable to withstand minor impacts. The Neo 2 might also come in two color options, Arctic Silver and Shadow Gray, marking a first for DJI's compact series. Battery management has been redesigned as well. The new DJI Smart Battery 2.0 includes real-time health monitoring, displaying battery temperature, voltage, and estimated lifespan through the DJI Fly app. This ensures safer charging and longer battery life, a welcome change for frequent flyers. When it comes to connectivity, the Neo 2 will feature Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, allowing faster data transfer directly to your phone or tablet. It's also expected to have direct iPhone integration with Quick Transfer 2.0, letting you edit and share your footage instantly without even needing to remove the SD card. And yes, the Neo 2 will support DJI RC3, the newest remote controller with an integrated 7-inch 1080p display and upgraded dual antennas for better range and responsiveness. DJI is also working on a Neo Goggles Mini Edition, a lightweight FPV-style headset designed for immersive first-person flight experiences with the Neo 2. One more upgrade that will make creators happy is sound recording support. The Neo 2 was rumored to capture ambient sound from the controller's microphones during flight, syncing it automatically with the video, perfect for adding natural audio from your flight path without needing external recorders. As for software, the Neo 2 will ship with DJI Fly 2.0, a completely redesigned app interface. It includes smarter flight route planning, real-time airspace alerts, and a new AI editor that automatically cuts and enhances your clips with music and transitions. DJI wants to make content creation faster and easier right out of the box. Pricing for the DJI Neo 2 is expected to start at $899 for the standard bundle and around $1,099 for the Fly More combo, which will include extra batteries, propellers, and the new RC3 controller. Considering the technology packed inside, it's shaping up to be one of the best value drones DJI has ever released. So, to sum it up, the DJI Neo 2 is looking like a massive upgrade in every way that matters. Better camera, longer flight time, smarter tracking, safer obstacle avoidance, and more powerful connectivity. DJI isn't just refining the mini drone experience, they're making it smarter, faster, and more creative than ever. This drone could redefine what people expect from a compact flyer. Whether you're a beginner trying to capture your adventures or a professional looking for a portable backup drone, the Neo 2 seems built to deliver pro-level results in a compact body. This is Tap Tech, and we'll be watching closely as DJI prepares for the big reveal. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe, because the DJI Neo 2 might just be the most intelligent small drone DJI has ever made, and you'll want to see what it can do once it finally takes flight.